I was using the Embed app in Canva to embed an Instagram post into my video. It worked when I checked before uploading it to YouTube, but once it was published, the embedding no longer worked. Discover apps, embed, add video, music, and online media to your designs, embed the best of the web, video, music, media. Let's use in a new design. Let's just, you were doing it in an Instagram post, so let's recreate that post. We're just going to go with square, paste web link here. So what if I do youtube.com/the creator classroom, add to design. We couldn't embed that URL. Okay, I get you. Let's try that. So I'm guessing that you were doing something like this. And when you post it on Instagram, you're not able to click the link. I think it's mainly for when someone is sharing something like a template within Canva. If I click this, there's an open embed link into a new tab and it's going to go to my channel. What you could do is use a QR code.
I'm losing my mind over here.
So let's click QR code, use a new design. We're gonna Instagram video. Here's like a YouTube short size, right? So here's the QR code. And now if I type in, create a classroom, generate YouTube, then you can have a QR code in your design. The only problem you would have there is if for some reason later this QR code no longer worked because the website changed, right? Back in the day, this used to be the Canva classroom. Well, if this QR code pointed to youtube.com/the Canva classroom, it would no longer work. What I want you to do is click on one of these videos. One of them is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch. And the other one is one that I think you should watch. Bye.